morning, guys. So today we are in San Carlos at my Aunt Debbie's house, and the view here is absolutely mind-blowing, dude. And it feels so good out. We're able to sleep in a big bed. Aunt Debbie's awesome, and her boyfriend, they rule. So thanks for letting us stay with you. We're so stoked to be here. Today is gonna be absolutely epic. There she blows.
He wants to get up.
Probably.
Suck at this.
Yeah, Aunt Debbie! Cruising, dude. Like 1,000 pelicans out here, dude. Alright, so Nick and I are headed to a skate park. Dang. So Nick and I are headed to a skate park about 20 minutes away. Amanda is getting like a 3-hour spa treatment done down the street. She can literally walk there. So Nick and I are on the hunt for Shred, and we are stoked to see what this skate park is like. And who knows? Oh my god! Dog for Shred! Dude, this looks sick! Looks freaking epic, dude! Oh my gosh, dude, this looks amazing! Dude! Yeah. Dust just flies everywhere. Dude! Oh! Oh! Oh my... Yo! It is on, dude!
I wake up, flex on down that check. No drip this, tell them run it on. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch. Tell them run it on. I wake up, flex on down that check. No drip this, tell them run it on. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch. Tell them run it on. 9 out of 10 roll through my hands, I'm by my lonely. Turned to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me. I love my fans, don't need no friends, I got my homies. Thought I could trust you, I find out you tried to zone me. I'm number one up on that court, I'm Nick McGrady. The first one in, the last one out, can't call me lazy. Put in my hours, send the invoice and they pay me. I need 6 rings like MJ and Tom.
Woo! It is hot, boys! Freaking stomping tricks in Mexico. We out! Cannot even begin to tell you how much Jumex has been consumed on this trip so far. Dude.
Liters and liters and liters.
Yes. On the move right now, we are headed to Tedakawi, which is like a super crazy rock, and we're gonna hike it, and it's gonna be like freaking up there, boys. All right, the squad made it to the hike. Cerro Tedakawi. It looks like it's gonna be really intense, actually. Oh my God, this looks intense.
Recommends you eating before you start.
Just to scare you a little bit. I'm sure it's gnarly too. But
Give you 5 hours. No one with heart conditions, diabetes.
bring
Heavy.
your cookies and chocolate.
Don't forget your cookies and chocolate, boys.
How
and
long
girls.
is it gonna? No one goes as hard as Nick, though. Nick is sending it barefoot, and there's like cactus everywhere right now. Tell them about how this is the first hard hike we've ever done.
So on all trails, the app for different trails, we've never done a hard hike. We've done Mount Pisgah, which was moderate, and it was hard. It was definitely pretty challenging.
It was super rocky, dude.
Yeah, it was like a lot of steps and boulders.
Yeah.
I'm already tired.
Yeah, Aunt Debbie cannot blame you for only wanting to do this once, because so far we've been on the trail for 2 minutes. Yeah, not even 2 minutes, and it's heavy, so. Woo! It is crazy up here. We are scared out of our minds right now. There's monkeys everywhere, dude. Woo. Monkey man, dude. All sorts of cliffs you can climb. You can just, man, it's like a playground. Endless possibilities. People actually like legitly rock climb up here too, so freaking gnarly. So now the time has come to go back down. It's gonna be intense. Almost there. We made it! That was sick. That was one heck of a hike though. Whew. So much props to you, Aunt Debbie. You are crushing it. So, oh, you're hugging me. We got done with our hike. We're feeling so worn out. Oh my gosh, that hike was intense. So intense. But we just got back to Aunt Debbie's house, and this is gonna be our last time getting in the ocean for quite a while. So tomorrow we are heading to America. We're going to Sedona, Arizona to see my uncle. And yeah, it'll be a while before we get back in the ocean. So this is going to be a very special ocean swim.
Look at it. I match the rocks.
Yeah, you do. It's gonna be freezing.
How's it feel, Riley? Cute. Cute. Oh, it's so cold.
Sharp.
Quit.
It's freezing! Oh, sharp! Dying, dude. Oh. God.
It's cold.
Freezing! Oh God.
Dude. Stop. No. The concern on his face. Riley. He's like, but you need to be safe. But I have to save you. I have to save you.
God.
Look at how concerned he is. Coming. He's coming. No.